Hello guys, we are all traders and we give information, give updates about the market, and we also do some technical analysis. We educate about the financial market. We are here again to also give the market outlook for the week. Today we'll be looking at what happened on the market on Friday. It was kind of a surprise. We saw that Israel they launched a series of coordinated airstrikes on Iran's nuclear and missile facilities. So that's caused a lot of volatility on the market. Right now, we are going to deliberate on that so that you will see how the market reacted and what happened in the market, and how you can prepare yourself for any subsequent occurrence in the future.
Presido FX dynamics on all social media platforms. Just like you said, the news came as a shock to investors, which led to a sharp fall in risk assets.
There was a sharp fall in the market on Friday. It happened due to the news everyone got from Israel and Iran.
Hollywood FX and all social medias. So just like my colleagues here have said, the sharp fall on Bitcoin on that Friday was just as a result of the war news that came up. And because most investors are moving and turning into safe haven, like gold.
We saw on Friday that the prices of gold went up.
Yes.
All due to that news.
Yes.
So investors shifted from risk assets to safe haven. News can cause a lot of volatilities in the market. As traders, you must be prepared to do your due diligence and also to be ready to make your decisions due to the reactions of the market. You know.
Yeah.
Don Presi FX on all social media handles. I think it's healthy for the market. Left for the traders to spot opportunities. Investors had to move to safe haven, hence the fall in risk assets.
On the risk asset side, there was a sharp fall, while on the safe haven like gold, there was a rising up. Friday, we saw such reactions as traders. Those of us that were aware, we knew that due to previous occurrence of war, history tends to repeat itself, you know. So we were prepared, and we know that this is going to be like this.
Yeah.
So now, since on Friday, today is Monday, we're in another market day, and the market is open. So I can see that there is kind of another reactions going on, that gold that was rising on Friday is now dropping down. And I'm wondering why Bitcoin that was falling on Friday is now trying to regain its loss.
A situation like this brings opportunity for investors to put their money into trade by having the fundamentals, like we are doing here now, the fundamental analysis that we are taking here now, and also having the technical aspect of it. When you have these two analysis, you can go into trade and you spot good position for you to take your trade. I believe that's what the
market is reacting to right now.
Well said by my colleague here, Presido FX. You know, Bitcoin right now is trying to gain momentum because it has reached a support level, and you can see, as a good trader, you should be able to know your support level. You should be able to spot that, okay, this trade is already creating a support level, and most traders started going in from there. And just like recently, a very big firm in Japan just acquired a lot of Bitcoin, and that is also making Bitcoin gain momentum.
Traders should look
For signs and confirmation before going into the market.
You must be able to know that this is support level as formed, and you must be able to know your signs and the confirmation before you take the trade. Okay, so we also have other things coming up this week, and the market outlook for the week is kind of interesting. And this week we are still going to have a big day, which is on Wednesday. On Wednesday is going to be a big day. What's going on? We're going to have the US Fed. They're making the decisions on their interest rate. The whole world, the market is looking forward to it. We are expecting lots of expectations. So if they cut the interest rate, like we said previously, there's still going to be volatility. If they keep it steady, there's still going to be volatility. So what do you think?
Be sure.
Okay.
Have enough confirmation before going ahead to take the trade.
Watch out for this news, how it's going to impact the market, and also do your fundamentals and technical analysis before going into any trade.
The FOMC, their meeting is coming up on Wednesday, like he has said, and that is a very big announcement, and it's going to impact the market very, very much.
Yeah.
So as traders, that is why we are making you aware of this. You must be able to recognize this coming up, this market outlook for the week, before you take your trade, before you make your decisions. Okay. Yeah. So the US Fed they are kind of having this kind of pressure from the president, from Donald Trump, to cut down the interest rate due to inflation. Let's watch and see what's going to happen on Wednesday before we can make other further decisions. So as traders, we must also look at the technical aspect. Watch the video, subscribe.